Let me ask you, if I can, Stephanie, about the timing of the shooting. As I understand, there was an upcoming custody hearing, and that seems to be pretty profound when it comes to the state's case.
Well, it wasn't exactly a custody hearing that was coming up. What was actually scheduled was a hearing that was going to be on the joint motion to release the psychological evaluations that had been conducted on both Ashleigh and Doug. That had been put into place by the Sheriff's Office of Manatee County, Florida, because of the repeated allegations by Ashleigh that Doug was abusing their child. And so after 5 or 6 of those abuse allegations just resulted in findings of no abuse by Doug at all, finally, the Manatee County Sheriff's Office put into place psychological evaluations, which were conducted. Toward the end of that process, Ashleigh and Doug agreed that the evaluations would be released prior to moving to Maryland. Ashleigh was really pushing hard for Doug to stop that request to not get the psychological evaluations, but Doug was pretty adamant that he would not move to Maryland permanently and that he would not drop his divorce case unless he first had those evaluations in hand. So that hearing was scheduled for Wednesday. She shot and killed him Sunday night.
Well, that timing is, without question, it certainly makes it sound more curious. Tommie, it's just sort of incredible when you hear about people who meet and are married within days, in this case, inside of 2 weeks. What went wrong, and how quickly did things go wrong between Doug and Ashleigh?
Well, we've learned a lot about how it started even before they met in person, before the second meeting, and before the third day they were together getting married. We know now that Ashleigh researched him for the meeting that they did have. She began texting him well before that.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.